install. From quick search to in-depth research, do it all on our updated app.
Dream, search, drive. Cars.co.za.
No one expects a bucky to come past sounding like the way it does sound. So that's always fun. You see the guys' faces like, what happened now? And they're looking past the bucky to see where's the sports car coming past now. And it ends up being a Ford bucky. It's making those sounds and making the tires screech. That's always fun to see. I'm Mike. I'm the owner of Turbo Smart, and I drive a Ford Raptor. We've got two reasons we bought this car. We wanted to see what can we do with South African guys, South African products, and build everything locally. We've got some good guys here, so that is one idea. Support local guys, all local products. And then the other challenge was to see what we can do out of this factory Raptor. We've all built the Mark 1 Golfs and the Supras and the 2Js, and we kind of felt it's been done before. We wanted to see what we can get out of a South African bucky with South African products and South African tuners and everything. That is our idea to see. And also going forward, whatever we use going forward, it has to be South African based. That's the whole idea with building this van. So at the moment we're sitting at 438.5 kilowatt and over 800 newton meters torque. First thing we did is the exhaust system. So from the turbos we got downpipes, 76mm stainless, to the control box at the bottom of the car. So we kept the initial or the original control box so I can still have loud and soft and sport mode, and I can change the sound setting of that. From that control box we ran 76mm pipes out the back, and then we installed the water meth kit. We're running pure meth, no water mix. On top of that we got a BMC filter, and we installed the DT system, and then on top of that we obviously tuned the DT system as well. And that's basically it. That's all we had to do to this car to get to those numbers without modifying the engine, without changing turbos, and we're actually quite happy with it at the moment. So we've got plans going forward, obviously bigger turbos, injectors and so on. But at the moment we're kind of restricted because we can't get into the car's ECU. We have to work around that at the moment. So once we can get into the ECU proper, I think we can then remove the speed limiter and get more out of the engine as well. At the moment now we're restricted with a plug and play system, a DT system, and we have to tune that. But this has got limitations, so you can only go so far. There's no point changing turbocharged in this car yet. We can't add more fuel. And we don't want to take any shortcuts and cut wires to remove the speed limit, so we can keep it what Ford gave us, just enhance it a bit, you know. We haven't actually tested it past 800 newton meters, so far she's holding up. No glitches, no malfunctions, everything seems to be fine. So we're quite happy with that. I think we can take even a bit more, but we'll see when we get there, how long she lasts. But I haven't had any issues with the gearbox or the diff, anything else so far. Even the engine stays nice and cold in these conditions, even pushing hard, it stays cold. So the heat soaking is a big thing. We're still working on that as well. We've actually got a few plans for that, for the boost pipes and so on. But the bigger intercooler definitely works. But still, these cars love to carry heat, and that's the biggest problem with these cars. I think it is with our temperature in the country we're staying in, is it heat soaks terribly. So definitely a big upgrade is the intercooler. That's the first thing to do, I'd say. Even a stock car, just change the intercooler already. Much more beneficial for the car. So there's a local company, Cars Intercoolers, that actually manufacture a bolt-on intercooler for this car. So it's pretty plain straightforward. Bolt your old system off, bolt the new cooler in place, and then yeah, it's very nice cooler. It's basically 2.5 times the size of the factory cooler, and it works great. We haven't had heat shock since then, so it does work great. Even though I run 1.6 power boost, it still stays nice and cold. So we've got a few challenges out. There's a fast Amarok by us that we got a challenge. It's actually, I was the fastest time by the Rock, but his car just got in an accident, so that race is off. But yeah, we're looking for races. We have to see what it does. We're actually looking for call-outs, not to say we're the fastest or the best, but to see what this bucket can do against other cars, especially tuned cars. The aim, I think, would be to get to Mustang power. And the guys are modeling the Mustangs. We have to get to that level. 700 horsepower, I think, would be a fair number to go.
Cars.co.za.
Not only is Cars.co.za the best place to find your dream car, but it's also the easiest place to sell your current car. Check out the sell car section on our main website. Simply list your car's details and all of our dealers will take bids on your car. You just choose the highest price. Boom, your car's gone. On to your next one. Right, thanks very much for watching the video. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm finished now.